Hello everyone. Today we are start Python series. Now first we want to know about Python. What is Python? It is a programming language, of course, but it is also interpreted object oriented and high level language. So now we want why Python is so famous. We have C, C++, Java and JavaScript, and still Python is so famous. Some people says that it is a new language, and not exactly. Java came into picture in 1995 and Python came in 1989. That means 1989 Python is older than Java. So why Python so famous? Since the advancement of machine learning, artificial intelligence, this is a field where we have research scientists. They don't want to spend much time learning programming language. So what they do? They went for the easiest language available, which is Python.
Now let's focus on this name Python. In fact, we talked about C, C++, Java, JavaScript. These names to have some stories. The author of Python, Guido van Rossum, he's a big fan of a British comedy movie called as Monty Python's Flying Circus, and that's why he went with the name called as Python. You talked about machine learning, you talked about GUI software development, web development. You can use Python everywhere, and that's why it is also called as a general purpose language. Thank you everyone to watch this video. I believe that you fall in love with Python soon. Guys, please subscribe my channel, like this video and share.